FHS type crane installation guidance video. 1. Material inventory. Count the materials according to the mechanical packing list. Count the materials according to the electrical packing list. 2. Tool preparation. Fitter kit, electrician kit. 3. Assembly of main girder and end carriage. 4. C-rail installation. 5. Electric cabinet installation. 6. Cable installation. 7. Hoist installation. 8. Installation of each limit bracket. 9. Equipment wiring. 10. Installation and fixing of external parts. Check, electrify, commissioning. Check the circuit before power on, according to the commissioning manual. Power on test, according to the commissioning manual. Hoist operation tests. This video is for reference only. If you have any questions, please consult EUROCRANE.